forecast winds 20 to 20.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Stafford County in northern Virginia, northeastern Orange County in central Virginia, southeastern Fauquier County in northern Virginia, southeastern Culpeper County in northern Virginia, southwestern Prince William County in northern Virginia, north central Spotsylvania County in central Virginia, until 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 10:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles southeast of Culpeper, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Bealton, Nokesville, Remington, Catlett, Calverton, Midland, Stevensburg, Roseville, Garrisonville, Locust Grove, Flat Run, Heflin, Dunavant, Lake of the Woods, Morrisville, Ruby, Somerville, Goldvine, Raccoon Ford, and Lois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now for the National Weather Service marine forecast for the Chesapeake Bay from